Fighting out of the red corner, he is a striker standing 5 feet 8 inches tall. Also weighing in officially 126 pounds, he too holds a professional record of 12 victories and 4 defeats. Fighting out of Sichuan, China, here is the Tibetan Eagle, Mudaerji. And your referee in charge of the action is Dan Mergliata.
Sporting the beard, Dan Mergliata. The Apex in Las Vegas. So is Chrissy Blair, and so are you on ESPN Plus. Thank you for joining us.
All right, you ready? You ready? Let's go, Joe.
You're looking at Mudaerji, the biggest favorite on the card tonight from a betting perspective, minus 360. He's in the red. Malcolm Gordon plus 280 on the comeback. These two swinging right away.
Yeah, and I would expect Malcolm to really try to close this distance, get in tight. He doesn't want to stand out with this rangy Mudaerji who's got crazy kicks, side kicks, spinning kicks, just so versatile. That left hand is laser beam straight down the middle. And good movement as well. And he's going to have to work with this small octagon tonight. Well, that left hand already stung Malcolm.
Side leg kick from Mudaerji as well.
And you'll see like leaping in front leg side kicks. Beautiful straight left.
Oh.
He's so loose. Oh, he's really hurting with these shots.
Splitting the guard.
Gordon
going
is
to work.
out. Wow.
Mudaerji making quick work of Malcolm Gordon.
You got to be kidding me. Brett was just talking about that he hasn't seen that fast first round knockout. Then you go out there and do that. That's incredible. What a performance from Mudaerji. This kid wasted no time tonight.
Was finished 11 of his 12 wins, 10 of them by knockout.
I mean,
and that is why. Wasted no time.
No time. And I was talking about this kid's left hand, and boom, right down the middle, right on the nose and mouth of Malcolm Gordon. Left hand over on the ear to follow. Wastes no time. You saw Malcolm Gordon was hurt. He didn't quite adjust to this. He goes down here because something doesn't feel right. You see his legs go, and he knows, I just got to cover up. I'm not going to recover from this. Look at this. Laser beam straight. He uses that length. And at 125, man, this division is unreal right now. To think that we were talking about not even having this around, what a waste that would have been.
5 feet 8 inches tall at 125 as well. Had no problems making the number on the scale, and just 24 years old.
Eagle, Sumu